Hi, we all hate ads on Twitch. I'll tell you how to control them on Twitch so you as a streamer won't annoy your viewers too much. Because we all know this and hate it.
2 hours later. 2,000 years later.
So ads cannot be completely removed from Twitch. However, you can decide if you'd like pre-roll ads or mid-roll ads. So let's start with automatic mid-roll ads. Mid-roll ads are ads like on TV. You watch a movie and suddenly the TV channel decides to pause the show for ads. We all know this. However, on Twitch, the live stream will continue to run, so your viewers will miss everything what will happen during these ads. Your stream is not being paused. You enable automatic mid-roll ads in your creator dashboard on the settings, affiliate, scroll down, and enable ads. Here you can also set the time when the ads are running using the ad manager. But remember, when the ads are running, people will miss content of your stream. Obviously, subscribers are excluded. Check through these settings, especially the pre-roll ads section. We come to that later. So, pre-roll ads. Pre-rolls means ads are being played before your stream starts for the viewer. After the viewer had their portion of ads, the stream won't be interrupted further for this viewer as long as they stay connected. You can disable these, but will have to enable mid-roll ads from the first step instead. Disable pre-roll ads and plan your ad breaks. This one requires a little bit of planning and thinking of yourself. You can disable pre-rolls if you decide to run normal ads, so the mid-rolls, either through the ads manager, which I showed you before, or by hitting a button on your stream manager quick actions. 30 seconds of these mid-roll ads will give 10 minutes of pre-roll ad free. Up to 3 minutes of mid-roll ads will give you 1 hour pre-roll ad free. What is my preference in the end? Honestly, mid-roll ads suck so much, so don't enable the ads manager, especially if you cannot plan when the action is happening on your stream. If the viewer starts to miss the conversation or miss the action, they will leave your stream. Plan regular pauses into your stream. Go to the bathroom, get a drink, stand up, take a small walk to relax a little bit. While doing this, use the quick actions and run manual ads up to a time you like. This will disable the pre-rolls for your viewers. I think this is a very good compromise between having these interruptions in your stream and having ads when you tune into the channel. As we see, the topic ads on Twitch is extremely confusing. I still hope you found this video useful. If you want to watch it again, if you have any questions or comments to this, use the comment section under this video. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one. Take care. Bye.